Welcome to our channel today. We'll guide you through the quickest way to activate Netflix on your Roku TV, ensuring uninterrupted streaming. Welcome to our channel. If you're eager to dive straight into your favorite shows and movies on Netflix using your Roku TV, but aren't sure how to get started, this guide will take you through the simplest and fastest method to activate Netflix on your device. First, power on your Roku TV and ensure it's connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your Roku remote. From the Roku home interface, scroll through the channel list using the arrow buttons until you locate the Netflix app. If it isn't already installed, head to the Roku channel store, search for Netflix, and select Add Channel to download and install the app. Once installed, open the Netflix app. You will be presented with an activation code on your TV screen. Keep this code handy as you'll need it shortly. Next, using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to the official Netflix activation page at netflix.com/activate. Log into your Netflix account if prompted. Enter the activation code exactly as shown on your Roku TV screen. Submit the code and wait a few moments as your Roku device syncs with your Netflix account. When the code verification is successful, your Netflix app on Roku TV will automatically refresh and grant you access to start streaming. If you encounter any issues during this process, ensure your internet connection is stable and your Netflix subscription is active. Restarting your Roku TV can sometimes resolve minor glitches that prevent activation. Additionally, check for any available software updates on your Roku device to ensure app compatibility. By following these straightforward steps, you can enjoy all the incredible content Netflix offers right from your Roku TV in no time without any hassle. Don't forget to explore the vast library of shows, movies, and documentaries at your fingertips and unwind with quality entertainment anytime you want.